Oh, there's a spoon. Didn't see that. Fruit. Got some granola. That's it. This is my lunch for today.
Like the tea. Must ML meh? The normal smart shade. Photo is like that, right?
조금 이상해졌어. 자꾸만 시도 때도 없이 시무룩하고 고민이 생겼니. 초등학교 영어 수업 시간을 배웠었던 현재 진행형 같아. 하루에 10번 내 맘이 움직여.
Oh my god.
아름다운 느낌이 좋아. 걱정되고 보고 싶은 이런 기분은 현재 진행형. 사실은 나도 뭐가 뭔지 잘 모르겠어. 어쩌다 우리여 까지 알 수 없는 비동사 플러스 ing LOV를 붙여보면 사랑인 것 같고 say goodbye를 붙여보면 헤어질 것 같아서 ing just ing 내 맘은 아직 ing.
So, hey guys, I am heading out right now to meet my sister. We're gonna get my mom her birthday present. So, let's go.
한결 편안해지고 했어. 오늘 밤에도 왜 걷어 있어줘서 좋은 꿈 매번 지저랬어. 요즘 새벽에는 소음이 늘었어. 왜냐면 너의 색다른 blue 새벽에 떨어져 버린 루 하늘이 파란색인 요요 너에게서 I can see the last night. 작은 동전이란 같아서 뒤집어 생각하란 말에 머릿속을 돌아다녔어. 오늘 어떤 면이 보일까. 이유 없이 찾아는 오지 마라. 기지개 편 다음 이불을 뺐으니까. 내가 꿈과 너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지. 이렇게 이 많은 밤에 수고했어. 이 많은 밤에 잊어버리기는 마 소중한 레나.
So in my previous Adulting Diaries vlog, I hosted a giveaway in collaboration with Yes Style, and one of the giveaway rules is to comment under that video, but for some reasons there are some issues with the comments and they kept getting deleted by YouTube. So this is the very first time I have seek YouTube support. I didn't even know that they have like a chat support thing. So yeah, I've just been feeling very down, so I also decided to order myself Starbucks this morning, so it's gonna come in I think 30 minutes. Yeah, my Starbucks is here. Oh, it has been a while since I spoke about my house. I feel like I sort of started this Adulting Diary series because I thought that there to be a lot of like home related stuff, so like adulting stuff that's gonna happen over the next couple of months, but it's been a while since I talked about it because it has been delayed again. So we got the news a couple of weeks ago and I feel like I didn't really talk about it because it's my way of coping. I don't know.